Attack. Attack. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Attack. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.
Actor Clive Duncan, aka Mr. Upton, has died. Esteemed Jamaican actor Clive Duncan, who was famous for his role as Mr. Upton in the beloved Lime Tree Lane television series, has died. The veteran actor reportedly died of cancer on Thursday morning following a battle. Duncan, who was born in Esher, St. Mary, and later moved to Kingston, where his acting career flourished. His distinguished career as an actor developed with his performances in several pantomimes. He rose to national prominence in the role as Drapus Upton in the local JBC Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation TV series Lime Tree Lane, which was televised between 1988 and 1997. In addition to Upton, the series revolved around the lives of a number of other popular characters, including Lucretia Upton, aka Mr. Upton, Johnny, Sammy, Miss Zella, Mas Gussie, Donald, and Bubbles. The show caught the attention of many families at the time, due mainly to its focus on core Jamaican values. Following his stint in one of the longest running series on daytime television nationally, Duncan moved on to the Jamaican-based soap opera Royal Palm Estate, where he played the role of Chef Monsieur Jenny Perrott. One of Duncan's final appearances on local television was in the series Joint Tenants, where he played the role as the miserable landlord, Mr. Paper. In the aftermath of news surrounding the actor's death, several individuals took to various social media platforms to express their condolences to his friends and family members. Actress and media practitioner Dahlia Harris remembered Duncan for his warm and generous spirit. She tweeted, "Asa, theatre loses another veteran. Clive Duncan, known to many as Mas Drapus and Lime Tree Lane, has transitioned. He was ailing for some time. We will miss his immense talent, but most of all, his warm and generous spirit. Sleep well, Clive." Journalist Adrian Atkinson also reacted to news of the actor's death. "Wow, Clive Duncan has transitioned. May the celestial beings greet and guide you to the mansion worlds. Journey on, Monsieur Perrott," he posted on Facebook. So, viewers and subscribers, as you can see now, Clive Duncan, you understand, and I remember this man in Lime Tree Lane was one of the most fun man in Lime Tree Lane, nah lie. Cause the way he talk people, honestly, I never did even know that he was a Jamaican. I thought he was an African because he have a style of talking that was really funny, you know what I mean? And in the end, people, it's a road that we all have to go one day, you know, but it's just sad when we have to just, you know, lost a really great talent, actor, and everything that generates a lot to Jamaica, meaning put a smile on plenty people's faces, you understand? And this was one of my favorite TV series at any time, Lime Tree Lane. It was one of my favorite, and it is one where I will always, people, remember telling my generation coming up about it and everything, because to be honest, people, you know, so this man was well loved, and all characters who played a role in Lime Tree Lane was well loved, you know. And I just want to say, rest in peace, Clive Duncan, rest in peace, brother. You know what I mean? It's just that time, and you know, your memories live on. And I just want to send out my condolences to every family, every friends of Mr. Clive Duncan, aka Mr. Upton. May his soul rest in peace. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, this is New Link from New Link Production. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell icon, so as New Link drop a video, you will get it. You just pop up, ping! You don't know, people, follow me on Instagram, NewLink_production official. Follow me on Facebook, New Link Production. On Twitter, New Link Production. And just stay blessed and be safe and be good and be great. You don't know the thing, go. Happy Friday. Peace out. Attack.
Or do you want to talk to us? We don't like
to lecture children, you know, because sometimes we do a lot of lecturing, and what we're saying is not what you want to hear, right? So sometimes we like to hear from you. You know what are the things in life that affect you, the things you love, the things you don't like,